this 1 year Xbox Game Pass. Pretty psyched about it. PAX is awesome so far, and love Sea of Thieves.
I'm camping as the ghillie suit. The ghillie suit will be mine at the end of the day. See you later.
Joel Zimmerman, AKA Deadman.
You know, we needed like a level 4 mouse head with frying pans for ears.
Right. I mean, you got to kill right off the bat. It was great.
Yeah!